Subscribe to our channel for more travel related videos and press the bell icon for the notification.
Hi guys, today we are on our way to check the newest attraction in Khorfakkan, Sharjah, the Shees Park. The park is situated near Wadi Shees in Khorfakkan in the outskirts of Sharjah. From Dubai, it takes almost 1.5 hours to reach there. The parking is free and there is an ample car parking space for the visitors outside the park. As soon as you enter the park, you can see an artificial waterfall. You can see the kids enjoying in the park. Looks like a small zip line. So you guys can see the mountain walkway and it is connected by the stone stairs. So let's go up. So we reached the top of the Shees Park. Guys, check out the view here. It's so beautiful. The mountains. The view is awesome. So guys, at the Shees Park you have a beautiful playground, free playground for the children, and you also have a barbecue area to enjoy with your family also there, and also you can see the beautiful view of the mountains. So make sure you visit this place. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with another new video. Till then, take care.